Hi, my name is Jordan. I'm Chief Operations Officer, and I give Google Sheets 4 out of 5. And for more reviews like this, click below. We utilized Microsoft Excel before we hopped over to Google Sheets, and we ran into some challenges with some of our other users not having licenses and being able to log in and work on the same project at the same time. And if we wanted to utilize Microsoft's way to do that, it just was a little cumbersome and slow for some of our newer team members or team members that weren't as tech savvy. So the number one reason why we chose Google Sheets was just being able to get the data somewhere else other than our individual machines without having to sign up for a crazy level of security or setups when we're just looking at pretty benign data across teams. We wanted to make sure that people could view without necessarily editing or update comments on the sheets. And so it was really fast and streamlined, and it also works with G Suite with what we're using for apps for our email client. So kind of worked all together under one umbrella. Google Sheets is really easy to set up. You just have to make sure you set up all your admin if you're going to use it with G Suite, or if you're just utilizing Google Sheets, just making sure you understand how to teach your team how to comment versus viewing it versus editing it. And that if you give everyone permission to edit, they will start messing with it. And so you have to be careful with that. But really, it's the training documents aren't as helpful as you would want with Google. So it's making sure you have your own internal system or ability to teach your team how to use Google Sheets effectively. So I would just start using Google Sheets when you can. It's free and pretty easy to mess around with. The biggest thing is to make sure that you understand the formulas. If you're, intermediate with Excel and understand a lot of the formulas, a lot of that stuff can translate by copying and pasting it into a sheet. But there are some small nuance differences. So you may want to look up some YouTube videos on how to use Google Sheets versus Excel. But I would just start playing around with it to get yourself some familiarity. And you may find that you can do what you need to do with Google Sheets without having to manipulate too much in Excel.